Hello and welcome to CAD Tutorials YouTube channel. In the last video we saw how to download and install PTC Creo 4.0. In this video we will see how to create a path file. To create a path file, just go to this new option and here now this dialog box appears. Here I have to choose path in this type and then enter the path name. And here in the subtype, choose it to be a solid and just untick this use default template and then now click OK. Now in this template you need to choose MMNS path solid because that is a default that we will be using for us, because mostly we will be using MM in all of our as a dimension in all of our drawings, so it is recommended to use this and then click OK. And see now our first path file is generated. Now we need to save this, so choose file and then save and then choose a name. I will be creating a new folder in the later part of this tutorials. As of now I will be creating this path file in the desktop. So click OK now. Okay, now the path file is saved. So in the next tutorials you will learn more about how to use this PTC Creo for our drawing. Thank you.